great. Finally, it's a sunny day. Oh yeah. Come on. Sorry, it won't focus, not only because I'm so zoomed in, but because it's so windy. There we go, they're on. It doesn't appear to be moving really. Moving fast from here anyway. It's windy. What am I doing here? Jesus, I just walked all the way from Pointe-Claire station down there. Could have had a much better shot. You know? I was all the way down there. I never go backwards. I only go forwards. Funny if it was Mr. Carlson driving that train. Oh, man. I'm not going to stay after this, that's for sure. Freaking way, 2 CP freights at the same time? Oh my god, I can't remember when the last time that happened. That looks like a local I was thinking about. Holy tabarouette, let's see. Unreal. That's awesome, dude. How cool is that? Well, how freaking cool is that? Typical for CN around here, not CP, because CP is Canadian Pacific. There's my drift. Wow, wow, wow. Gonna go deliver some hoppers there, eh? Wow. God, it's horrible. Doing here, but what a catch, what a catch. This guy's hauling, it looks like 3, 4 cars, 5 cars. Little, what are they, Chivos? Nice old horn. Yeah, baby. What kind of DPU or pusher is going to be on that intermodal though? I'm wondering. Oh, it's a CN engine. Oh, daddy, I haven't seen that happen in a long, long time. A CN engine on a CP train. Whoa, 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 whoa. Great success. The wind don't bother me. No, it does actually. Jesus, Murphy. I gotta admit though, if I was down there in Pointe-Claire, I wouldn't have had as good a view because of the trees and shrubs and all that jazz, eh? So, yeah, man. Still could be a pusher on this train, actually. What does the CP signal, CN signal say there? To be, there's a clear stop there. Yeah. And it was only 3 degrees Celsius when I got up this morning. Oh, almighty. Ugh. Yeah, a bunch of auto racks. No, I don't think there is a pusher. Let's check it, please. Oh yeah, there is. Oh yeah, there definitely is. I think it's 4 in power even. Woohoo! Right on, baby. Is there another train there, or am I seeing things? Oh no, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Looking towards downtown, Westmount, NDG, Côte des Neiges. Yeah. Brr. Sorry. It'd be funny if that was another CN engine, actually. I think it's a BNSF from what I saw. It is another CN engine! Oh, that's a first, baby. That's why we love train spotting. You never know what you're going to see. 2 CN engines, 1 DPU, 1 pusher. Well, it's also space, yeah. So that's pretty damn cool catch, I have to say. Yes, sir, Bob. Oh, thank you for watching. Merci de regarder. I'll pick up my mood there. I wish Ben was here to see this, actually. He'd be quite content, indeed. Quite content. And not only that, it's long hood forward, for crying out loud. Can you dig that? Alright, my fingers are like not warm now, so thanks for watching. Bye!